As our tutorials continue, this one will be showing you how to promote Windows Server from a stand alone to a server machine. So we go to start and you select Server Manager. We select roles. You select roles. And you come to add roles. Add roles. Okay. I have some before you begin information. This is for if you're doing it for the first time. We select Active Directory Domain Services. And click Next. You click Install. The installation is complete, so we click here this link that says close this wizard and launch Active Directory Domain Services Installation Wizard. This is the same as typing DC promo in your command prompt. So we click here and the installation wizard comes up. Click Next. This is information that you would want to read. It's information about messages about legacy systems. Now you click Next when you completed reading it and create a new domain in a new forest. Since this is our first domain that we have created, click Next. You type any name with .com at the end of it. I'll call this one my domain.com and next, and the system will check to ensure that no one else on the system is using this name. Now to set forest level, functionality level, we would go to server 2003. Since the 2003 version of the OS may be used in the environment, this will allow for backward compatibility. we choose 2008 since the 2003 version of the operating system will not be used in this environment, but doing this would allow backward compatibility. Ensure that DNS is ticked. Click next. Select yes, and we leave the default settings. This is where your backup information will be stored on your local hard drive. You can change these by clicking browse and backup on a secondary drive for redundancy purposes. Click next. They're asking you for a password, and to confirm a password, we'll just type standard so that we remember it. P at SSWO0RD. Confirm. Capital P A SSW0RD. Let's hope we can use the same password. Click next. I think it gives you a summary of the choices you made during the wizard. You have this option here where you can export your settings. Exporting, as I mentioned before, allows for mass configuration. When this process is finished, we want it to reboot on completion, so I'll take that option. Process is completed and the system would now reboot. Now when we log back in, we would see that it's now attached to the domain. You would see the domain name /administrator as you log in. This is the new domain controller. As you can see, the name what we gave to the name that we gave to the domain slash administrator name is seen here, and we put in the password that we created. Active Directory Domain Services, DNS Server File Services. These are roles that have been added.